Hey besties, it's your girl JB coming at you with another video. As you can see, your girl has been doing some shopping. So all of you probably already know Sephora had their annual sale. Well, I wouldn't really say annual sale, but they had their sale. And I am a VIB member where I get 20% off of all items. So I decided to restock up on a couple things, as well as I decided to buy some things just to try out. So let's get into it. So, not going in any specific order, we'll just go through all the items that I purchased. So, replica. This is a restock item. This is one of my favorite fragrances. What I love about this is called Lazy Sunday Morning. Oh my God. If you want something that is fresh and that just exudes just cleanness, this is it. Not only do I wear this fragrance, but I also spray my sheets with this fragrance because it's just, it gives you that clean, crisp smell that everyone yearns for. So if you haven't tried it, definitely try it out. All right. So your girl decided to try out some topicals. Now, I am a topicals fan, but I've never used this product. So this right here is your ingrown tonic. Now, we all know as girls, we're trying to keep the ingrown hairs at bay. So I'm excited to try this out. Stay tuned for a future video with updates around this product. If you have tried this product before, leave a comment down below and let me know if it worked. All right. So you know with Sephora, their items, you get what, 30% off? So, as you know, I'm a makeup girl. I love makeup. But I decided to try their deep cleaning shampoo for my makeup brushes. Again, never tried this before, but 30% off doesn't hurt. And I'm all about keeping things clean. So we will be trying this as well. If you have tried this before, leave a comment down below and let me know how it worked out. Back on topicals, okay? So because I love this stuff so much, your girl got two. All right. So I love this lip balm by Topicals. It is so good. I use it all day, every day. And because it was on sale, I'm a hoarder when it comes to things like this. I decided to get two. I love it. I love it. I love it. And if you have it, leave a comment down below. All right. So your girl loves some Huda Beauty. So we got us some concealer. I decided to go with the salted caramel as well as butterscotch. I currently own the salted caramel, so this is more of a restock, but I wanted to try out a different color, so I am trying out the butterscotch. A lot of you know about Huda Beauty, use Huda Beauty's products. Definitely love the concealer, so I'm excited to really try out the new color as well as restocking on my old color. All right, so Danessa Myricks, all over the internet, all over YouTube. This will be my first time trying out her products. So I decided to get this skin tint. So it's more of, I would say, kind of like a moisturizer with a tint to it, a little bit of sunscreen inside. I'm super excited about this for days where I just want to run out, walk my dogs, and I just want a little something on my face, but I don't want a full beat. So definitely trying this out. I got 12 and I got 13. Those are the two colors I plan to try out to see which one works for me. Super excited about this. Like I said, she's all over the internet, all over YouTube. People rave about her product, so I'm super excited to try this out myself. All right. Again, like I told you, I am a hoarder. So, well, not really, but I like my stuff. Anyway, I am a makeup forever girl right now when it comes down to foundation. And for whatever reason, when I was clicking on Sephora, it was like limited stock. And so your girl bought two. This is the only reason why I bought two of these. But this is the Matte Velvet Skin Makeup Forever. And I am in the shade R540. So I got two in case they discontinue it, change the formula. I don't know, but this formula works for me. So I decided to have one on, one on shelf. All right, another Danessa Myricks product. Okay, again, like I said, I am new to this, but her brush had like 5-star reviews as well as it was on sale. So, makeup girls, we can never have enough brushes. And so I decided to get this and try it out. I'll let you know what I think about it as well. All right, so House Labs by Lady Gaga. So these are concealer brushes again, and this is also a multi-purpose brush. Like I said, when things are on sale and you love brushes, get brushes because brushes are needed to have flawless makeup. But anyway, I'm gonna try these out. Shout out to you, Lady Gaga. Anyway, I know you guys all know about House Labs. I am new to the brand, but super excited to try out these brushes. All right. And last but not least, can you guess what it is? Another brush. So again, Sephora brushes with 30% off. And so there was a brush that I decided to get. This one is a foundation brush. I needed a new one because I like to have a set for travel and a set for home. Again, another brush. Can never have too many. But this is all I got for the VIB sale. Again, 20% off. And again, 30% off of Sephora products. I know a lot of you have did some shopping as well. So leave a comment down below and let me know what you got from the Sephora haul. And if there's anything that you want me to talk about in a future video regarding these products, let me know in the comments below. Make sure you subscribe to my channel, like this, and share this. Talk soon. Bye.